Hello everyone, good evening. It is November 20, 2015, a Sunday. And thank God the week last week is finally over. And this is just the beginning of another beautiful week, the last week of November. Happy, it's a great week ahead of us. Yes, because it's almost Christmas. December is coming. December is just around the corner. Yeah, I will all be happy. And that's how fast time flies. Before I was just having a hard time coping with boredom. I was so agitated last time that I have to thank the YouTubers, people who watch this video, because I have something to look forward to and have something nice to talk about every now and then. So keep watching and I'll try to make more videos for you. Have a nice day, everyone.